Smart lock installation tutorial. Model F17. Front lock, back lock body screws, buckle shell, plate, reversing squirrel, solenoid, bamboo screws, square rod, spring, IC car key. Adjust the direction of the front handle according to your needs. In the video, the door opening direction is right, and the handle direction is to the right. Screw on the reversing screw at the screw hole. The adjustment is complete when the handle rebounds. Adjust the rear handle direction according to your needs. In the video, the door opening direction is to the right and the handle direction is to the left. Screw on the reversing screw at the screw hole. The adjustment is complete when the handle rebounds. After the adjustment is completed, the handles should all face outward. Push up the lock tongue and rotate the lock tongue. Install the front locking screw. Tighten with pliers. Insert square rod. Note the opening position should be centered with the square rod. Open the rear lock battery box cover. Install lock body. Tighten the lock body screws. Measure the bamboo screws so that they do not exceed the edge of the outdoor door. Make a mark and cut off the excess. Use pliers to cut off the bamboo screws. When installing the front lock, be sure to first pass the cable and square rod through the door hole to avoid breaking the cable. Measure the square pole from the edge of the door, leaving a length of 3 to 4 centimeters. Make a mark and cut off the excess. Insert spring. Connect the power cord of the front and rear locks. Note, do not press the cord when connect the cable, otherwise it will easily cause power consumption. Range the excess power cord and tuck it into the door crack. Install the rear lock and snap it on the square pole. Tighten the screws. Do not tighten them yet to facilitate adjustment later. Adjust the front and rear locks. Tighten the screws. Install the battery. Click the small button under the battery. Press and hold for 5 seconds, and press the sign to confirm to restore factory settings. Close the battery compartment cover. Installation completed. Fingerprint unlock. Password unlock. IC card unlocking. Key unlock.